Secretary Neri, no? Bago na transfer sa DBM yung pamumuno ng GPPB, no? Ito yung Policy Procurement Board. Ito po ay pinamumunuan ng NEDA, hindi ho ba?
DBM has always been the chair. NEDA used to be the co-chair.
The co-chair, okay. Sa iyong pagkaalam, kasi wala nang taga-DBM dito, sa iyong pagkaalam, taon-taon, di ba, meron tayong National Procurement Plan na nakalista dyan kung ano ang ninanais na bilhin ng mga malalaking project ng pamahalaan. Sang-ayon ito doon sa ating batas, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor. Every agency is required.
Every agency is required and supposed to submit to the GPPB kung ano yung kanilang wish list. Ito yung National Procurement Plan para magkaroon tayo ng pagkakaunawa kung ano ba talaga ang bibilhin natin per agency at mabibigyan ng pagkakataon na ma-review nga ito, ma-prioritize, makita kung pangangailangan ba ito o hindi. Hindi ba yan ang purpose nitong...
That's right.
Okay. Ngayon, sa aking pag-aaral din ng National Procurement, Annual Procurement Plan ng pamahalaan, hindi ko rin nakikita itong National Broadband na ito.
I'm not sure. I don't think the agency has... I would not know, Your Honor, because I don't regularly attend.
Okay. So, ang point ko lang nito is that kung napaka-priority nito, kung napakahalaga nito na finastak ito at uutang tayo ng $330 million, katakataka na sa lahat ng mga dokumento na naglilista kung ano ba yung mga ninanais na gobyerno na pag-invest ng pera ng sambayanan, ngayon lang lumilitaw itong broadband project na ito. Di ba? In fact, sabi nga ni Secretary Mendoza, pumasok lang sila dito February of 2007. And in an earlier testimony by yourself as well as by ASEC Formoso and Secretary Mendoza, nagsimula lamang ito nung sometime in October of 2006, October 2006, when CICT submitted a document sa inyo. Hindi ho ba?
That's right, Your Honor.
Okay. So, itong parang pinaka-primordial, pinaka-mahalaga, pinaka-priority, parang hindi naman supported by the documentation and by the
Your Honor, it was originally conceived as a BOT project.
Originally conceived as a BOT project. Yun ang puntos natin dito. Kasi kung BOT project ito, hindi uutang ang gobyerno nito, hindi ho ba?
That's right, Your Honor.
Tama. At user pay, hindi ho ba? At kasi walang utang ang gobyerno, yung national government guarantee, hindi kailanganin or hindi gagamitin.
Kung BOT solicited, they're allowed guarantees. Kung BOT unsolicited, walang guarantee. No?
Tama. And I bring your attention now to the sequence of events, no? To the sequence of events from the time that this Mahiwagang golf game happened. You mentioned that this golf game with Chairman Abalos happened in January, February of 2007?
Sometime there, I think, Your Honor.
Is it January? Is it February? Nag-Valentine's na ba or Three Kings pa lang?
It was not very hot. I think the weather was pleasant. So, chances are it's probably January, February.
Mga end of January?
Somewhere there, Your Honor.
Oh, sige. Okay. Ngayon, I don't want to repeat anymore the debate as to the executive privilege that is still pending, so I will set that aside, no? But my question is, since that time, since February of 2007, through the NEDA meetings, at least there were two in 2007, March 26 and March 29, when this was approved. Did this subject of the bribe ever come up in conversation again? Hindi ka ba nagtaka na nireport mo ito sa kay Pangulo, sinabihan ka na wag mong tanggapin, tama naman yung utos na yon, wag mong tanggapin, at matapos nun, wala nang na-take up, and nung lumitaw muli itong NBN-ZTE, hindi ka ba nagkamot ng ulo? What happened? Bakit buhay pa rin ito? Bakit hindi pa rin naimbestigahan ba ito? O ano ba nangyari rito? Since you reported this first-hand experience of yours to the President?
It was not envisioned as a ZTE project at the time, Your Honor. In other words,
Can you speak closer to the mic because we cannot...
When
no, you
NEDA
can bring the mic closer to yourself.
when the NEDA approves a project, Your Honor, there is no supplier stated. You can see the way we approve a project and even the minutes of the NEDA board, we avoid mentioning a supplier because that is the prerogative of the line agency.
I understand, Secretary Neri. But this conversation, you testified that you conjectured that the 200 na the meron kang 200 dito was in relation to NBN ZTE. That was your testimony earlier.
I would presume so, Your Honor.
That was your presumption, di ba? Okay. Ngayon, kahit ang process ng NEDA hindi supplier focused but project focused, NBN clearly is what was approved, di ba?
That's
Kasi
right.
that is the project, regardless of who the supplier is. Hindi ba pumasok sa ulo mo na, uy, ito yung hinalaan kong may 200 ako. Na-take up ulit ito. Hindi ba pumasok sa isip mo yan or sa analysis ng NEDA kasi kayo ho ang secretariat ng NEDA?
I privately mentioned it to my staff, Your Honor, because as I said, I told them to be careful kasi baka may, baka the price may be higher than warranted. So that's all I did, Your Honor. I cannot mention it
Immediately
formally.
after you mentioned it to your staff, immediately after the golf game.
Maybe about when we discussed
Shortly after the golf
Yeah,
game.
somewhere there.
Okay, but
After
when
golf.
these things were taken up now in NEDA ICC cabinet, hindi ba pumasok sa isip mo na, uy, bakit buhay pa ito, sabi ng staff? Sinabihan ko na sila na magdahan-dahan dito because ako mismo nakatanggap nitong, in your mind, a bribery offer. What is in your mind a bribery offer?
The staff was very positive about the project, Your Honor, because the rates of return were very high.
I
If you look
see.
at the rates of return of PLDT Smart, the return equity of PLDT is about 33, 34, sometimes 40%. The gross profit of PLDT is about 93 to 96%. Very profitable, Your Honor.
No, so what does that have to do with the fact that you are not PLDT, you are not smart, you are dealing with people's money, you are in the government, you yourself testified that you conjectured that you had received a bribe offer,
Yeah.
you were instructed not to receive it, and yet this project was being discussed at NEDA, so parang wala na lang, kalimutan na lang yung bribe na yon or yung offer na yon or however that may be described. Ganun ba yun?
The NEDA has its own process, Your Honor, and I did not want to interfere with the technical process, although I did tell the staff to be careful.
Okay, but you also know, Secretary Neri, that part of a job of a cabinet minister, cabinet secretary, is judgment, di ba? Hindi mo man lang ba sinabi sa executive secretary o sa kay Pangulo muli, you might have forgotten, this is what I talked to you about, ha? Did that ever happen again? I mean, nasa agenda ulit ito eh. Hindi ba parang kasama sa duty ng isang cabinet minister na iniisip niya yung kapakanan ng gobyerno at nung Pangulo na pinagsisilbihan niya, na isipin niya na, uy, dahan-dahan tayo rito. At paano nakapasok sa agenda ito? Pwede bang i-table muna natin to? Unless you yourself now say na wala na itong bribery or wala na itong kalimutan na lang yung offer na yun. That you yourself conjectured today here, you felt that you received a bribe offer.